Now to create an environment from scratch, just follow the instructions below this video here. Let's open Anaconda prompt. Run this command here, conda create. Actually, I'm just going to add again the word test after Skoods 36 because I already have an environment called Skoods 36. Press enter. When conda asks you to proceed, just type Y. The packages will be installed. Okay, it's done. Going back to instructions, let's check if the environment was created. Okay, we can see Skoods 36 test. Now, let's activate the environment. Done, it's activated. And run pip install upgrade pip. So in my case, it's already updated. Okay, great. So the next step is to install 3 additional packages. However, we need to run Anaconda as administrator. So for this, close your Anaconda prompt and open it again as an administrator. Activate the environment again and run one by one each of the commands here. The first one is done. Now let's install AirSim. Also done. And finally, PinePut. Okay, great. Now our environment is ready to load our Python codes and communicate to our simulation. Don't forget to activate your environment every time you're going to run Python code side by side with our simulation.